charming townhome has an ideal blend of both comfort and beauty. Come in, let's go see it. The kitchen is impeccably designed and comes fully equipped with all appliances. With 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths, this home offers abundant living and storage space. The primary bedroom retreat provides 2 dual closets with an ensuite bath. Imagine unwinding on your west-facing patio, enjoying the beautiful sunset colors that we have, all while under the shade that the trees have provided.